So this will be the first video of the channel. So we will keep this very simple, nothing fancy. I'll be just creating a web flow that will be accepting a request and giving some response. That's it, nothing else. So basically this is the Anypoint Studio where we will be working on the project. So once you install this Anypoint Studio, this is a fresh workspace. So you will get a window like this. So you have to click on create a new project. Let us give some name as 101 underscore webflow. Click on finish. Once that is done, we have a Mule palette towards the right side of the studio. So in this we have by default some modules, and for our purpose we need a listener. If this is a HTTP listener, what this component will do is it will check if there are any requests coming for a particular endpoint. So I'll just drag and drop it here. For this I need to give some properties. So connector configuration, I can click on this plus sign. So the host is a local host and the port will be the 8081. So these are default values. For me, this is enough because I'll be using the local host like this machine itself, and the port will be 8081. So I can test the connection if these properties are working fine. So here we can see the test connection is successful. So we are good with that. Click on OK and OK. So in the path, this is the endpoint which we need to call in order to invoke this web service. So I can give some name like the flow, and we can save this. Okay, so all the errors are gone for this particular component. So I'll just add one more component, set payload. What this component basically does is what will be the payload which we will be getting as a response. That can be set from here. So for setting that, inside the value I can give some value like this is my payload. Okay, you can save this. Okay, I'll add one more component which is the logger component. I can put it here and I can give some value like logger component save. So basically this is the flow which we intend to create. So basically we have a component which will check if there are any requests coming for the webflow endpoint. Then we have a logger, then we have a payload. So whatever payload we set here, this will be given as a response back to the client who will be calling our web service. So in order to deploy this, right click, run project. Okay, so if you see here, the status is deployed. So we don't face any issue while deploying. There are no errors, nothing. So this flow will be up and running now. In order to check this, I can use Postman. So localhost and 8081 and webflow. These are the parameters which will be accepting, which will be calling the web service which we just deployed. So I'll just test this. Send. Yeah, so we can see 200 OK response and the response which we have set from set payload component. And in the logger, so the request came here and it went through the logger and then to set payload. So now to check the logger, we can go to console and it is written like whatever we have given in the logger component, it is written here. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel. Please let me know any suggestion about the session in the comments. And if you would like me to include any topic in your course, please let me know in comments. Thank you.